Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add filters in Excel. Friends, this option is very useful and commonly used in Excel. Now suppose I want to use filters on this data. So for that I simply need to select the headers. Now after selecting header I need to click on data tab. Now here I will find the option of filter. Now after clicking on filter, as you can see, small drop down arrows appears on headers. Now suppose I want to filter all the mails in this list. For that I need to click on this drop down arrow. Now here F and M selected by default. So first I need to deselect all and I will select M and click on OK. Now it will show all the mails in this list. Now suppose I want to further filter this data and only want to see the person live in Delhi. For that I need to click on the drop down arrow of the address section and here I need to deselect all and select Delhi only and click on OK. Now it will show all the males living in Delhi. Now like this, if I want to further filter this data and only want to see the person having education of BA only, then I need to click on the drop down arrow of education section and here I need to deselect all and click on BA only and click on OK. So friends, now it is showing all the males living in Delhi and having education qualification of BA only. So friends, like this you can very easily filter your large data as per your requirement. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.